Hey everyone, welcome back to Chachi Tech today. We've got an exciting lineup of gadgets to review. We'll be looking at the CicretBracelet LED flashlight gloves, the JTMAN cell phone stand with wireless Bluetooth speakers, the Realtek laptop stand, an amazing wireless keyboard, and the futuristic CicretBracelet concept. Let's dive. First up, we have the CicretBracelet LED flashlight gloves, a fantastic gadget perfect for anyone needing a third helping hand in the dark. These gloves provide multifunctional LED lighting, making them ideal for outdoor activities like camping, fishing, cycling, and climbing. They're made from lightweight and comfortable elastic fabric with lengthened Velcro straps, ensuring a perfect fit. Each glove includes replaceable CR2016 batteries, providing bright and durable light. These gloves are ready to use right out of the box, making them a practical tool for any task. Next, let's check out the JTMAN cell phone stand with wireless Bluetooth speakers. This sleek and stylish phone stand combines two essential items into one. It features a built-in wireless Bluetooth speaker, delivering high-quality sound with enhanced bass, tight mids, and crystal clear highs. The adjustable angle viewing is a game-changer, allowing you to easily adjust the stand to meet your viewing demands. It's stable and non-slip thanks to the anti-skid silicone pads. Plus, it's compatible with most 4 to 13-inch smartphones, tablets, and e-readers. Now, let's talk about the Realtek laptop stand. This ergonomic stand is designed to fit laptops ranging from 10 to 15.6 inches, and can support up to 8.8 pounds. It elevates your laptop, improving heat dissipation and reducing posture-related issues. It also helps reduce desk clutter by creating extra storage space underneath. Made from a sturdy metal plate, it's durable and easy to install. The anti-slip edge and slip-proof pads keep your laptop steady while you work. Next up is an incredible wireless keyboard that's packed with features. It comes with 7 switchable backlights and 3 brightness levels, allowing you to customize the keyboard to fit your mood or environment. The ergonomic palm rest and foldable stand design reduce pressure on your hands and wrists, making it perfect for long hours at the office or during intense gaming sessions. The rechargeable battery boasts an impressive standby time of up to 24 months, and the responsive low-profile keys offer a quiet typing experience. And finally, let's explore the future with the CicretBracelet concept. Imagine wearing a bracelet that can project your smartphone's interface directly onto your skin. With pico projectors and proximity sensors, you can interact with your apps, read messages, or even play games right on your own. This sleek and minimalist design is water-resistant and durable. Although it's still in the concept phase, the potential is undeniable. It could revolutionize the way we interact with technology by making essential functions always accessible at your fingertips. So, what do you think of these gadgets? From practical tools to futuristic concepts, there's something for everyone. Let me know your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.